Hi, it's Nørgaard. So today I'm doing my Pretty Little Thing and KARL KANI try-on haul. I did a little poll on Instagram asking what you guys wanted to see next. It was either the Pretty Little Thing and KARL KANI haul or the Letitia and In the Style haul. And majority of people voted for the KARL KANI haul, plus KARL KANI himself voted for the KARL KANI haul, so of course that's what I had to do first. So as you can see, I picked up a few different pieces from the collection. I really liked the vibe of this collection with Teyana Taylor as the model and the very sporty, athletic, relaxed kind of look. So everything here is very sporty. There were no pieces that were like clubbing dresses or, you know, something for formal events. And I just love this kind of clothing. And yeah, I just love this collection. I love Teyana. I love East Coast rap. So this was just a collection I knew I had to get my hands on. By the way, I'm really bloated today, so don't mind the belly going on here. I'm gonna be on my period soon, so it is what it is. So let's get started with the first piece, which is this gorgeous dress. This is called the Orange Bodycon dress, and I got this in a US size 14. Normally I wear a size 10 or 12, and this one is a little bit big on me, so I think it's definitely true to size. I would have gotten a size 12, but it was of course sold out. So I got it in a size 14 and it does fit okay, but I could definitely need it a little bit tighter. So I must say that this dress is absolutely beautiful. I am obsessed with this color. It's like a really bright orange. And as you can see, it does have some shape to it. It kind of widens at the hip. It's a really gorgeous and flattering dress. I also like how big the straps up here are, and of course I like the little logo. I also really like how long this is. It is a mini dress, but it's not extremely short. So if you are tall like me, this will work for you. So yeah, this one is just so gorgeous. It's one of my favorite pieces. So next up we have this white hoodie. This is called the White Embroidered Oversized Hoodie. This one I got in a size 10. It fits really well. It's really nice and comfortable. It's going to be perfect for fall. This is a long and oversized hoodie, but it's definitely not a dress. At least not if you're my height. For me, I could not wear this as a dress. I believe on the website the model was wearing it as a dress, but I would not be able to get away with that. It would just be too short. But as a hoodie, it's great. I also love the logo on the front. I love the colors. I love the use of orange in this collection. So next thing, we have these shorts. So these are called the Black Denim shorts. I got these in a US size 12. They fit perfectly. They are a real denim material, so no stretch whatsoever. They are high-waisted. I just think these fit so beautifully. I think they look so great on. They have real pockets in the front and in the back, and they also have the logo on the back pockets. And then of course they have all this fraying down here, which I think is really cute. The only problem is that it has a lot of fraying right here at the crotch, and that can kind of feel a little bit strange. But other than that, these are super flattering, super pretty. So next up is this cropped shirt. This is called the Black Crop Rugby t-shirt. I got this in a size 14 and it's definitely big. It is very oversized. I could have easily done a size 12 or even a size 10, but I don't mind the really oversized look. So I actually think it works out pretty well. This is another item that I'm really obsessed with. I love the feeling of this garment, and I love the way this fits. It just looks so laid back but still really cute, and I just love that it's this kind of rugby shirt. So next up we have this mesh bodysuit. This is called the Black Mesh Embroidered Long Sleeve Bodysuit. I got this in a US size 12. It fits beautifully. I love how stretchy and just how breathable this material is. I think it's really incredible. This is the type of mesh that I really like. So it has the logo in the front. It's only covered in the front. On the back it's completely see-through. So in the try-on section I'm wearing a stick-on bra underneath this. Also the leg is extremely high. It almost goes so high up that you can see it when I'm wearing the high-waisted shorts. So for me they are a little bit too high in the leg, but it's definitely workable for me. And also I really like how it's a thong back. That always just works the best in my opinion, because a thong is not going to cut into your butt cheeks and leave marks. So I prefer that. Like, I prefer the thong, not the cut out butt cheeks, you know? So next up we have the cropped version of the hoodie. This is called the White Embroidered Crop Hoodie. I got this in a US size 10. It fits really well. For me, I feel pretty much the same way about this as I did with the hoodie. You know, the only difference is that this is cropped and the other hoodie is not. So it's all down to personal preference. Personally, I would get more wear out of a regular hoodie than a cropped one, but the cropped one is really cute. I think the cropped hoodie would be especially great to pair up with the joggers. So these are called the White Embroidered Joggers. So they look like this. They have the logo on the sides and they do have a cuffed angle. I got these in a size US 14 and these are way too big for me. Like, these are humongous on me. I can barely even tie them tight enough for them to not slide down. So yeah, because of the size, this is a no-go for me. But I do think the joggers are cute. I like that they are high-waisted. I like that they do have a drawstring, and I like that they do have pockets. The only other con with these joggers would be that they are kind of see-through. Even though the material is rather thick, I find that it is kind of see-through. I tried these ones on the other day with black underwear, and it was just really obvious. So I'm not a big fan of that, because with joggers I just like to be able to just throw them on over anything without having to wear, you know, shapewear or thongs or whatever. So that definitely ranks these pants a bit lower. So that is all for today's haul. I will try my best to link everything down below. I know a lot of it is sold out, but I'll see what is available and link it down below. So as always, if you enjoyed this haul, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. So take care and bye bye!